219 Boat Club, an exclusive project by the Merint Group based in Dubai with international experience of 4 decades. Amidst lush greenery, in the heart of the most desirable neighborhood, 219 Boat Club is created with a timeless modern design by world-renowned British architect Atkins. A seamless glass portal just atop the grand 20 feet diamond glass entrance welcomes you. "275 hand-blown interactive bulbs sparkle from the 33 feet high ceiling and welcome you into a warm and elegant lobby. A quiet waterfall cascades gracefully down a pristine pane of glass, interrupted only by the silent glass door elevators. Enter your private lobby on your own floor and make it even more private at the touch of a button, like sheer magic. Custom-designed chandeliers made of brass and wood stretch up the full height of the living room. The spectacular living room, with full-size windows that are stacked completely outside, rises to a majestic height of 22 feet. The beautiful wooden floor leads you to a personal outdoor pool with a mesmeric, sensual charisma. Every apartment with abundant natural light and thoughtfully created outdoor spaces gives you the feeling of an ideal home. This enormous master bedroom has enough space to accommodate your own desk and a coffee area. The Brazilian wood flooring is in poetic harmony with nature. The sunken jacuzzi is a distinctive part of detailed planning and offers seamless views. The extensive use of glass greets you all through the carefully crafted apartment. And there is a second master bedroom of equal space, replete with its own jacuzzi. A modular kitchen with exacting attention to detail, finished with stunning shutter styles and white goods from none other than Siemens. A rare and well-thought-out convenience of an additional outdoor kitchen for your barbecues and aromatic Indian cooking. An opulent home theatre for those sports matches and blockbuster movies. A shimmering brass signage in the backdrop of a green wall arrests your views on Boat Club. A gymnasium and yoga room help you de-stress from city life. Along with a roof deck and a party lounge with sparkling views of the river is this full-sized swimming pool with a swim-up bar. A powerful and compelling work of architecture towering up in the sky awaits you along the riverside. With emphasis on modern architecture, spacious design, and vast open spaces, is situated at the truly sought-out location of Boat Club. Trusted premium luxury brands ensure reliability and efficiency with Elan. A formidable team brings to you a project not on paper, but approved by the PMC, bank authorities, and fully constructed with Maharera registration. We understand you.